Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade yogurt. First, gently heat your milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This crucial step eliminates any unwanted bacteria, ensuring a clean slate for your yogurt culture. Next, allow the milk to cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is ideal for the beneficial bacteria to thrive. Finally, stir in a small amount of store-bought yogurt with live cultures, which acts as your starter. Now it's time for incubation. Maintain a consistent temperature between 100 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a yogurt maker, an oven with the light on, or even a cooler with warm water. Let it incubate for 6 to 10 hours. The longer it incubates, the thicker and tangier your yogurt will become. Experiment to find your perfect consistency and flavor profile. Once incubated, you can strain your yogurt if you prefer a thicker, Greek-style consistency. Simply line a colander with cheesecloth and let it drain in the refrigerator for a few hours. Don't discard the liquid whey. It's packed with nutrients and great for baking or smoothies. Finally, customize your yogurt with honey, fresh fruit, or a dash of vanilla extract for a delicious treat. Your delicious homemade yogurt is now ready to enjoy. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Always use a clean spoon when serving to prevent any contamination and keep your yogurt fresh longer. This simple method allows you to enjoy fresh, healthy yogurt anytime. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy yogurt making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.